Hey there, Rick Gim with Flip with Rick. I want to show you a real-time deal I just did. This house I initially put under contract for about $70,000. It was an estate sale. It came off of one of my handwritten postcards on a high equity mailers list after multiple mailings. And we were waiting to get a payoff on the mortgage, only to find out that the mortgage we noticed was written in a typewriter, so we knew it was done back in the 80s, and the company no longer exists. So we couldn't get a payoff from the company. We searched everybody out we could with the title company, and in the end I couldn't get clear title. So I went back to the owner, was able to renegotiate the deal to buy it subject to. So I got him down to about $55,000, which he was ecstatic to get rid of the house. I'm going to show it to you as I walk through. And I hired an attorney who looked it over and says you got a 90% probability of just wiping that mortgage out because it was illegal with the transfer, and the mortgage is about $30,000. So that basically means I've purchased a 322 CBS home right here in Florida for $25,000. So I mean, I love this stuff. I mean, I was blown away. So this deal initially barely even worked out. I didn't think I was going to make 7 or 8 grand on it, which I like to make 10 or more. And the ARV on this house is about $90,000. So bottom line is keep plugging away, keep working on deals, get your seller's motivation, and work with your title company, guys. They're actually the ones who saw that it was a typewritten mortgage. And when they couldn't get a payoff, they found out the company was no longer in existence from 14 years ago, and it was transferred illegally. So it'll be about 45 days till I can clear the title issue, but I can do anything I want with this house. I can do a wraparound subject to a rent to own, or I can just flip it and probably make a quick 55K with no effort at all. So keep plugging away. There's plenty of deals out there. Let me turn this around if I can. And I mean, I love this business. You just got to keep plugging away. Remember, this deal almost didn't even work, and it winds up being one of my better deals for the year so far. So remember, it's not how many deals you do, but actually how much money you make in them. So if you're interested in working directly with me, or you want to know how I do this exactly, just go to my flipwithrick.com, or just go ahead and follow me on this page, join the group, and I post deals that I'm actively working on. So happy investing. Go out there and find another deal.